Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hi all. In this video, we will see further how to do the next level of questions based on indices under the category simplification. Actually, what do they mean by simplification? Simplification means use the laws of indices and then try to simplify the given expression. That is what they mean by. Now I would like to take a fourth example as m power 4 times n power 9 divided by m times n power 3. So we are going to see how am I going to simplify this. What you do is a power m divided by a power n can also be written as a power m divided by a power n, and I told you according to indices rule, anything which you divide with the bases to be same, the powers would get subtracted. It is nothing but a power m minus n. Now I am going to use the same technique for doing this question. When you don't have any power, that means it's called 1. So for your understanding, you can write 1 in order to avoid the confusion. So now you can apply this for m, and you can write this as a power 4 minus 1, and since it is in multiplication, you can write multiplication, but writing multiplication sign is optional. If you don't write it also, no issues. So you can subtract the n powers. So what will happen, you will get this as m to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3 times n to the power of 9 minus 3, which is 6. You can either write like this, or else you feel like it's okay, I don't want to write the multiplication sign, you can directly write it as m cubed n power 6. This is the simplified part of the given question. Hope you are clear with this. Let us continue the simplification part of the indices, algebraic indices, with further complex things. Of course, I am going to introduce you to some 3 terms or something like that. Let's take one example problem from there. This time, I would like to show you how to do this when multiple terms are involved like this. Say this example which I have taken involves multiple terms. You can see it has x, y and z. How we are going to do it? As usual, I already told you a power m divided by a power n can also be written as a power m divided by a power n, and I told you according to indices rule, anything which you divide with the bases to be same, the powers would get subtracted. Now that is what I did here. Now based on this, first of all, let's take these two numbers, 3 by 9. Then we will take these two, which could be written as x power 6 minus 4. Then we could take these two, which is y power 5 minus 2 dot. Dot could be used in the place of multiplication in order to avoid the confusion whether you are doing what process there. Then z to the power of 3. I told you when you don't have any power, it is called as minus 1. So now this 3 by 9 could be simplified and written as 1 by 3 x to the power of 6 minus 4 is going to be 2 times y to the power of 5 minus 2 is 3 times z to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2. You can either leave it like this, or else if you don't want to write any dots in between, you can write it as x squared y cubed z squared, and that is the simplified part of this. Hope you're all clear with this concept. Now let's move on to further complex, how to do multiplications of two different terms which is having a multiple variables in that. Let's see in the next video.